The product is suitable for paper, plastic, blister, hanging card packaging for small hardware, alkaline batteries, button batteries, glue, stationery, pencil sharpener, eraser correction fluid, solid glue, auto and motorcycle parts, brake pads, wiper blades, daily necessities, shavers, toothbrushes, dental floss, cosmetics, lipstick, nail clippers, perfume, medicine, safflower oil, medicated oil, toys, cars, fidget spinners, watches, medical appliances, food, and other products.